how are you today? Thank you for joining me. In today's video I'm going to be doing a quick review along with some actual footage of the Orskey s680 dash cam from Amazon. Now it's priced at between 20 and 30 UK pounds, but it does keep going up and down in price. It is one of their best sellers and it has very good reviews. However, we will see for ourselves if it is actually any good. Before we get started, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell, and a big thank you to everyone who has done so far. You can also catch me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. They are all new accounts and the links for those are down below in the description, along with the link to buy this if you so wish. So let's have a look. What's it saying about here? It's 1080p. It's got a 3-inch display on the back. You see here, it's got a little man running. I think that's motion detection for when you're not in the car. Some burglar comes along, it'll start recording. Now the thing is, what gets me about that feature, the motion detection for when you're not in the car, is the camera is at the front in the windscreen, pointing directly at the front. Somebody's going to break in your car, they're going to come around the side and smash the window. Not going to pick them up. You might pick them up if they're walking across the front of the car, but it's not going to pick them up out the side. And they've probably broke in to nick your dash cam anyway. As you see on the back here, display, here we go, 3-inch HD screen. It's got 170-degree wide angle. It's got loop recording, motion detection. Infrared night vision, yes, it has got that. It's got its memory card is micro SD. It takes from 4 GB to 32 GB and a class 10 or above. It's got a USB port 2.0, lithium battery, and its power supply is DC 5 volt. Now it comes with a lead to plug it into your 12 volt socket in the car. Now I was going to get the installation kit, but the lead that comes with it was really long. I put it at the top of my car, hidden all the wire down the pillar, underneath the dash, inside. It's hidden within all the crevices. I'll show you in a little video. I'll take it in the car in a minute, and you can't see any of the wiring. I was worried about that stock. It's a nice new car and I didn't want to have all the wiring hanging about everywhere, but it's fitted in nicely, so I didn't need the kit to keep it permanently plugged in and powered up. However, the only problem is with plugging it into your lighter. Well, it shows how old I am. It's not actually a lighter socket anymore, it's the 12 volt socket. Plugging it into there, once you turn the car off, take the key out, the power goes, so it doesn't power up for the motion detection. Which motion detection in my view is pretty useless anyway. Like I've already said, if somebody's going to break into the car, they're going to nick your dash cam, so it doesn't matter whether it's picked them up or not. Anyway, let's have a quick look. I'm not going to do, it's not a tutorial, I'm not going to go through all the menus and all that lot. They are pretty straightforward. You've got the buttons on the sides, play button and the menu button and all what have you. Nice big 3-inch screen at the back. It is quite a nice size, that, for a small dash cam as well. Nice. Now apparently when I was looking at the videos, it says it got a Sony lens. The footage on, what's upside down there, the footage on Amazon, all the pictures that they put on there, it did say, I'm sure it said it had a Sony lens on it, which is a good lens. Now I haven't looked at any of the footage yet myself. Now it's been recording for about a month. Every time I go out, I will take some of that footage and I'll show you in a minute, but that'll be the first time I've seen it as well, so I've not looked at any of the footage yet. It's nice and solid. It doesn't feel cheap. Like I said, the price on it on Amazon is between 20 and 30 pounds. I say between because it keeps going up and down, and I will show you in another video of how to buy something on Amazon and make sure you're getting the best price possible, because some of them, like you'll see, for example, this £25 was £40. Was it really £40? How long was it for £40? But that's going to be in another video. There is a way, if you don't already know, how to check via another website, which I will also show you in that video, of how you can get the best price for most things you can buy on Amazon. It'll tell you from the time they first put it on sale the prices it's been and how long it's been for that price. So like, I think the top price for this one was about £39 at one time, but I think it was only at that price for maybe a day. So now they can say that it was £39 reduced down to whatever it keeps going down to, but it does keep going up and down, so you've got to wait. That's going to be in another video anyway. That's another story. So that's it there. I've got to go and connect it up to the computer now and see what the footage is like myself. I'm going to put it in there because it's cold outside. I'm out in the shed, the little workshop. There it is. I'll catch you again in a minute. Go. What did you think? The footage, first time seen by me, first time seen by you, unless you're obviously playing this video over and over, which is doubtful. Anyway, was it a top? Was it a flop? I think it was a top. You decide. The link is below to buy it off Amazon. I'm not getting paid for this, by the way, not with the amount of subscribers I've got, which reminds me, please hit that subscribe button down there somewhere. Is it in that corner? Is it in that corner? I don't know. One of them. There it is. Anyway, a few more videos if you want to watch them. They'll come up at the end. See you again next time. Thank you. Ta-ra.